Section 3, number 7, you're going to find the slope of the line here. So slope, m, which is going to be the value for slope, is defined by the change in your y, which is your vertical, divided by change in the horizontal, which is delta x. All right, let's find this. So how much did we go up? 1, 2, 3. So delta y is equal to 3. Then we went over 1, 2, 3, 4. Delta x is equal to 4. So we can say that the slope here, m, is equal to 3 over 4. That is the slope for A. Let's take a look at B. This time we are going down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a minus 5 for your delta y. Then we went over 1, 2, 3, 4. Your delta x is equal to a positive 4. So we can write our slope as m is equal to delta y, which is minus 5, over your delta x, which is 4. Let's do the last one. We go from the left point to the right point. 1, 2, 3. Delta y is equal to minus 3 because we're going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Delta x is equal to 5. So we can say that m is equal to negative 3 over 5 as the slope. So there you go, making sure that you remember that slope. M is equal to your change of y divided by your change of x.